like 55 degrees out, 54 degrees out, something like that. Gotta get out and ride, man. It is just so nice out. Oh no, don't tell me I'm gonna run out of gas again. I know what that does. No, not again, baby. Not again. No, baby, no, not again, not again. Not again. Not again. I ran out of gas last time I was out on this bike. Are you kidding me? I should have fucking got gas. Son of a bitch. This is getting old. Obviously, I haven't learned my lesson yet about getting gas before you go out riding. So, learn from my stupid mistake to put some damn gas in it. Son of a bitch. This is some bullshit, man. How many times can one person run out of gas on a bike? Oh my God. Hopefully this gas station's open. Son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit, man. Nope, I'm not smart enough to put gas in it. But this frickin' sucks. This frickin' sucks. This sucks ass. This is how not to ride a motorcycle. Woo! Woo! Man, once you know these things, you need to put gas in them. That's the weirdest thing. Okay, so here we are. Putting gas in the bike, which I should have did before I left and got too far from home. I don't learn. I just don't learn. Will I ever learn? I doubt it. Okay, now that we put some gas in the bike, we can get back to our enjoying little bike ride that we were having today until we ran out of gas over here like a jackass again. God, will I ever learn? That's twice in a row I ran out of gas. I mean, come on, man. Use your head.